Good morning, everybody. Today's Thursday, April 2nd. For my morning update today, I wanted to remind you guys that the district is still giving out free meals for all students, breakfast and lunch, Monday through Friday. So let's review how to find the information on the Alief ISD website to make sure everybody knows where to go. So if you open up your browser and you Google Alief ISD and you go right to the district homepage, it's going to pop up this important message. So that's one way you can find it, because it was right there at the beginning. And you can click on the curbside meal service link right here. If that doesn't pop up for you, it's also right here in the site shortcuts. Meals, curbside pickup information. You come in here and they answer all your questions. Okay, so does my child have to go with me to get the food? Oh, sorry, that's not the right one. Yes, the answer is the child must be present to get the food. So ride along with your mom or dad or grandma when you go and get that. How much is the food? They're free. What types of foods will be there, breakfast and lunch, and where to go. Here is the long list right over here. It starts at 9 o'clock in the morning, so get there early and you can make sure you get your breakfast and your lunch at that time. If you keep scrolling down, they also have the information in Spanish. So if your parents want to see the flyer in Spanish, just keep scrolling down and here it is. The when, the time, the what, and they tell you exactly where to go. So close to Youngblood, you can go to the Alief Middle School. Also, Heflin is not that far away. So find whichever location is closest for your family and make sure everybody has enough food while we're all stuck at home. Okay? Take care. Miss you guys. Hope everybody's doing well. I'll keep posting chapters for our novel study. And don't forget, you can message me anytime you have questions or send me a text via the Remind app. All right, take care and have a great day.